So here I'm discussing about the Facebook Premiere. So why we using for Facebook Premiere? Suppose in a previous we discussed about the Facebook schedule post. What the purpose? Schedule some date and time. You post on your Facebook for visibility purpose. Suppose I'm not available for the 1 week on my company. I can schedule my post for 1 week purpose. This is the first attempt. Second attempt is called you can post your on your Facebook with your Premiere option. The Premiere is called you can interact your Facebook admins. Interact your Facebook admins. The main reason is called Premiere launching is called one is the Facebook awareness purpose. Second thing will be the people watch your videos will interact your customers. So if I'm schedule on post, what is called? How to using all type for your particular website. So people does not know about that question. So when you interact with the live, this is your Facebook page. If it is available, you can live with your admin to public. If it is not available, go into chat. They interact with your answer questions. Two options. Admin is not live. Go into live chat. They will interact with your videos. So if I know about the topic answers, interact with the live chat and give answers to the user also. Here you can follow the one is the like page user and unlike page user also. They give one notification is it coming to live as a premium. So that is called any Facebook page coming to premiere that is called only for scheduled post. When scheduled post. Now time you can give for 10 minutes of time on your Facebook page. You can using for premiere option. So just in your Facebook page, we have the two options, scheduled post and backdate. This premiere only applicable by your scheduled post. That is called 10 minutes to up to 6 months of time. That is called we are using for video. Option call is upload photo or video or else. I can promote my YouTube video using for this option. Just close it. Create a post. So open your my site. This Premiere I'm using for two advantages. My page likes, my website traffic, my video views. This is called automatic my page awareness will be increased, my website traffic will increase. Second thing is the two reasons I can increase my YouTube views. This is called increase my YouTube subscribers. So just I'm selecting for this one. People ask a question for this option. People select for this option. Click with your Google. So select it. Select your post with your title. Post here, YouTube, website. After that, link will be deleted. Okay. Next one. One is I'm using for hash. Mr. Rakesh. Second will be at the rate. Using for my page. One is the hashtag. Second will be using for at the rate. Just click. I'm coming to where. Click for here. Option call is schedule. So I'm schedule your post. See this. Just come here. So I'm setting your post here. Done. So I'm clicking for schedule. Where is the premier option? You say when I schedule my post, the premier will be enabled. Where is my premier? Where is my premier? If you promoting other videos, the premier will be not enabled. When uploading any own videos where on Facebook, the premier will be enabled. The condition. If you are promoting for other videos on your Facebook, the premier will be not enabled. When upload your own videos on your Facebook page, the premier will be enabled. There is a condition. So if you have published anything, the premier will be not available. When available for premier, upload for direct videos on Facebook. The interact with customer, direct Facebook videos. Then premier will be available for live chat purpose. Live video nothing but you upload own videos on your Facebook with interact with your customers. There is a premier video. So I am upload my YouTube video. Premier will be enabled. What is the use? The interact with your YouTube channel, not for your Facebook. That is reason is any upload of Facebook videos, the premier will be working on for live chat purpose. Clear? Just clicking for publish. Now upload video. Click this. Select it. I'm uploaded video on where? My Facebook. Select it. In the live chat, I show the one option is called tag the people. Why? I'm coming to live chat that tag the people for know about your posting also. So just I'm clicking here. So anyone who can people can select it. So clear? Next one. Add your thumbnail, your wish. Any thumbnail you accepted, just take it. For this one. Add your own image, choose your frame, your wish. Next one. Subtitle. Add your language. Which one is belongs to for English. Next one. Create your polls. Track. Add your labels. Next one. This belongs to for digital marketing. Class. Course. Training. Education. Last one. Direction. So everything will be ready. Now click for next. Now what is that? Publish now. The option call is Premier. When upload your own videos on Facebook page, the Premier will be enabled for live chat purpose. So you can select your live chat when after 10 minutes, 9:10 p.m. Add your image, people awareness purpose. Just add your any image you wish. Select it. So just I'm adding for click for publish. So your Premier will be start for what time? 9:10. Today date. Click for publish. So clear? If other videos can promote to your Facebook, the Premier will be not enabled. When upload any image videos on your Facebook, the Premier will be enabled on your Facebook page. So clear? YouTube will be YouTube video purpose. Facebook Premier will be Facebook videos purpose. This is called interact with your customer with your own title own video tag and with your own hashtags. This is called we can using for in this Facebook Premier option.